Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, exercise 1.2, problem number 1. In the previous video, we have seen example problem based on prime factors. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is product of prime factors. Click the I button to learn introduction of real numbers and learn from beginning of exercise. Exercise 1.2, question number 1. Express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. First one is 140, second one 156, third one 3825, fourth one 5005, fifth one 7429. So for these 5 problems we can find product of prime factors. So prime factors we need to find. Now first one it is 140. Now for this one we need to find the prime factors. So already we know the prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. So that prime numbers 2 we can divide the number. So first number is 2. So 2 I am dividing. 2 7s are 14, 0 as it is. Again next we have to take again prime number only. So it is divisible by 2 or not, you have to check it. 2 only it is divisible. 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. Now here unit digit is 5. Unit digit is 5 means 2 it is not possible. Next prime number you have to choose, that is 3. So 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is a multiple of 3? No. So that's why you can skip the 3 also. Now next we can take 5. So next prime number is 5 only na? So that prime number I took. So 5 table 2 we are getting or not? 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Here 7. 7 means prime number. Again 7, that prime number only have to take. 7 1s are 7. Therefore the prime factors of 140 equal 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So here it is 1. Why we are not taking? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Up to 1 you can, up to 7 only we need to take. So this one we can write 2 square. 2 into 2 means 2 square into 5 into 7. Now first one it is completed. Next second one you can take. What is second one? 156. So 156 means first prime number 2. 2 you can divide. So it is divisible by 2 or not. So last digit, unit digit is 6. 6 means it is divisible. So 156 divides with 2. So 2 7s are 14, 1 remained, 2 8s are 16. Now 78. 78 is divisible by 2 or not. So unit digit is 8. 8 means it is divisible. So 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. Now it is the unit digit is 9. 9 means it is not divisible by 2. Means next prime number we need to take, that is 3. What is divisible by rule 3? Sum of all digits are divisible by 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 plus 9, that is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3 or not? So multiple means 3 2 you can take. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 13. 13 means it is the prime number. Now 13 table only you have to take. 13 1s are 13. Therefore the prime factors of 156 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2, that is we can write 2 square into 3 into 13. So this is the prime factors of 156. Next, what is the third one? It is 3825. Now 3825. It is divisible by 2? No. Why? Because the unit digit is 5. So now it is divisible by 3 or not, you have to check it. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is the multiple of 3, means it is divisible by 3. Means the prime number we need to take, that is 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. 6 means here 2 remained. 3 7 is 21, means 1 remained. That number now becomes 15. 3 5 is 15. Now next, again 3 2 it is possible or not, once again you have to check it. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15, means it is divisible by 3. So 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 2 is 6. 1 remained. 3 5 is 15. Now it is divisible by 2? No, nothing. It is not divisible by 2. 3? No. Once you have to check it. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is not the multiple of 3. Means now next prime number. The next prime number is 5. So 5 2 you have to take. 5 8 is 40. 2 remained. 5 5 is 25. Now again unit digit is 5. Unit digit is 5 means again now you can take 5 only. 5 1 is 5. 3 remained. 5 7 is 35. Again here 17 we got it. 17 is the prime number. So that 17 you can take. 17 1 is 17. Therefore the prime factors of 3825 equal 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. 1 no need to take. So that is neither prime nor composite. Just we need to take the prime numbers only. So this one in the power notation you have to write it. That is 3 square into 5 square into 17 as it is. So third one also it is completed. Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Fourth one, that is 5005. So 5005, what is the unit digit here? Unit digit is 5. 5 means it is divisible by 5 only. So 5 table I am taking. 5 1 is 5. 0 as it is. Again 0. 5 1 is 5. Now it is 2 2 it is not divisible. 3 2 you can check it. 3 1 plus 2 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means it is not divisible by 3. 5 not divisible. Why? Because it here unit place must be 5 or 0 means it is divisible by 5. Now 7 you have to check it. 7 I am taking. 7 1 is 7 means 3 remained. That becomes 30. 3 7 4 is 28. 28 means 2 remained. Here 1. 7 3 is 21. Now 7 it is completed. Now one more prime number you have to take. The prime number I am taking as 11 I am taking. 11 1 is 11 means 3 remained. 11 3 is 33. Now this 13 is the prime number only. That 13 as it is you have to take. 13 1 is 13. Therefore the prime factors of 5005 equal 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So here nothing common. So we can't write the power notation. Up to here it is enough. Next and last one it is, that is fifth one, 7429. So this 7429. So it is prime numbers only we need to take. So that prime numbers already we know. Again taking here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29, so on. So 2, it is not possible. Why? Because here unit digit is 9. So it is not possible. Next prime number you can take 3. What is the divisibility rule? 3. Sum of digits. This is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 is not the multiple of 3. So it is not divisible. And 5. 5 means, so here the unit place must be 0 or 5 means it is divisible by 5. Otherwise it is not divisible by 5. So it can't. Now next one you have to take 7. 7 once you have to say 7 on the 7. Here 7 on the 7. Check it once. 7 on the 7. Here 0. 7 6 are 42 means 9. 7 on the, it is not possible. 7 also it is not possible. Now 11 you have to take. 11, what is the divisibility rule? 11, sum of odd place digits and even place digits. Odd place digits means 9 plus 4, that is 13, 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7. So 2 plus 7, that is 2 plus 7, that is 9. So the difference must be, we got it here 4. So what is the divisibility rule? 11. What is the divisibility rule? 11. The difference between sum of even place digits and odd place digits must be 0 or multiple of 11 means it is divisible by 11. Otherwise it is not divisible by 11. Means it is not, 11 also not possible. Now 13. 13 table we have to check it. 74, 29. 13 5s are 65. 13 6s are 78. Means 65 only it is possible. So here 9, 2. 13 7s are 91. 13 7s are 91. 1 and 9. 13 1s are 13. Means here 13 table also it is not possible. Now 17 table we can check it. So 17, 74, 29. 4s are 17 4s are 68. Now we have to subtract. That is here 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. This 2 you have to take here. 17 3s are 51. Now here 1 and here 1. This 9 as it is. 17 7s are 119. Means it is possible. So 17 437s are. So 17 437s are 7,429. Now next number, that is 437. 437. 17 just check it. 17 2s are 34. Here 9 and 7. So 17 5s are 85. Means we are not getting the remainder we are getting. Means it is not exactly divisible. Means next one more prime number you have to take, that is 19. 19 2s are 38. So here 13 minus 8, that is 5. 7, this 7. So 19 3s are 57. So remainder we got it 0, exactly divisible. Means next prime number is 19. Here 23 we got it 23. So 23 is also a prime number. Means now you can take 23 on the 23. Therefore the prime factors of 7,429 equal 17 into 19 into 23. So this is the method of prime factorization. In this video we have seen how to find the product of prime factorization. In the next video we will see how to find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.